Yung datos na nakikita. Pero yes, the common thing is that they're supposedly kung tuloy-tuloy na lang yung trend, may rollback nga siya. So, I just want to explain, how do you compute? 5 days kasi yan Monday to Friday. Friday pa lang tayo ngayon. May isang araw pa tayo na market closing na hinihintay. 8:30 pa mamayang gabi matatapos. So, hopefully kung kung yung trend lang based on the 4 days, may rollback siya. Pero kung may mangyari ngayon at baka mag-spike ulit, baka maiba yung computation. Pero it's an average of the last 5 days, and then yun po yung adjustment na add or minus sa presyo ng last Tuesday. We'll announce tomorrow just to be, I don't want to be speculative. Baka kasi iba yung presyo na lumabas sa computation. But we're hoping po for and praying for a rollback. And with the rollback and then the additional subsidy that will be done by LTFRB. So, malaki pong tulong po, most especially po sa public
Can
transport.
you tell us the numbers, ma'am? At least based on the 4-day trading? Baka pwede nyo nang sabihin. Sa mga motorista nating na-excite for a change, magkakaroon ng rollback. First time in, 6 weeks?
Ako rin actually excited kasi this will be my first good news if ever for the last month. But I cannot tell you yet. I'll send a message to Yusek Claire once we get the numbers tonight kung ma-compute na nila.